Hello there, today I got this error on Fiverr. Your gig blah 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 was removed from Fiverr. And I just did some simple changes on the title of the gig and it got this error and it got denied. That causes me a freak. So what I did is went to customer support, which is this email that I'm gonna link in the first comment or the description of the video. So it's basically support Fiverr, and I said I'm reaching out to my gig. I only actually. So I said a message from ChatGPT, right? And after 2 hours, the gig is here. Easy, bro. So basically, if you had this issue, just contact the Fiverr customer support. That I'm gonna link their email here, and after that, you are good to go. If you find this video helpful and if your problem is solved, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's create a family together. See ya.